Well, here in the Garden Railway, we have a little project going on, and that's literally, we have a small micro vegetable garden right here. And this could be a fun thing to do if you have a Garden Railway, or if you just have kids and they like to play with their trucks in the garden, make them a little bitty garden spot. We basically have created a small vegetable garden out of some of the succulents that we have. And of course, these are pretty common. The hen and chicks make great cabbages all lined up here. And I've just used the chicks out of a pot here, pulled them up and then just potted them or stuck them in the ground here. The other thing that I've used here, this is rupture wort, and it's also a little succulent that we can use. And it's kind of standing for some of our leafy greens. Now this is just some of the tiny sedum. And again, I just took little cuttings and stuck them in the ground, and they should go ahead and root. Now here on the end, what we can do is actually plant some wheat in a line and let that sprout, and that can look like corn for us. And then as it gets a little bit too large, we can just pull it up. So this isn't a permanent garden, it's like a vegetable garden. You can just plant it every year and have this tiny little vegetable garden right in your own train garden.
We hope you've enjoyed this classic from the Oklahoma Gardening Vault. Remember, even though these tips and techniques are timeless, there's always something new to learn in the world of gardening. By subscribing to both Oklahoma Gardening and OK Gardening Classics, you'll have access to a wealth of gardening knowledge, both classic and contemporary.